Use the credit card to earn Unity points or comps that you can redeem at Hard Rock casinos, including Hard Rock Atlantic City. We're here to talk about the Hard Rock MasterCard.
That's right. It was a must apply for.
Yes, new year, new credit cards. Fan of the podcast, Lewis, sent me a link to the Hard Rock MasterCard. He said he received an email on January 1st. Before that, I didn't hear of any news of this new credit card, but doing some digging, I found a December 5th, 2024 press release by Bread Financial / Community Bank. Use the credit card to earn Unity points or comps and redeem them in the Maldives, everyone's favorite, what they call city hotels in Atlanta, New York City, and Hard Rock cafes around the world, Hard Rock casinos in Florida, Atlantic City, and other locations. This press release claims more than 200 Hard Rock locations, so lots of places to use the comps. Yes, and potentially coming to Las Vegas in 2027, allegedly.
Yeah, that's right. That's where the Mirage used to be.
Yes, the Hard Rock Casino and Guitar Hotel, which is quite an acronym. All right, continuing with the press release, the card promises that you can earn Unity points through gaming, food purchases, merchandise purchases. The card has no annual fee. It's available to U.S. Hard Rock Unity members. So you must have a Unity account or sign up for one before applying. And you recently signed up for this. So how was that sign up process?
Oh, it was very easy. I had forgotten my password, actually. I had the Unity membership. I think we matched it a couple of years ago. So yeah, it was very easy to go in and reset your password.
Yeah, a little bit quirky in that I think we did the in-person sign up. So you never had an online account. I'm not sure that I had an online account either, but it identified your account. You're able to reset the password and get in to apply. So I suppose that's a nice thing for them, as I've seen this with other co-branded cards in a way where if you were to sign up for a Hilton card, it asks you for your Hilton Honors member number at time of application. And if you left it blank or you entered the wrong number, then you would have to merge the accounts at a later time. So with the Hard Rock MasterCard, it's nice that you have to log into your account so everything is going in the same place. All right, to continue about the card, you can earn 5x Unity points on spend at Hard Rock non-casino properties. So I assume that would be Hard Rock cafes, other destinations. 4x on non-gaming spend at Hard Rock casinos. So if you were to go to restaurants, hotel stays, other activities at Hard Rock casinos, and you're earning 2x Unity points at restaurant and grocery stores. So restaurant, not such an interesting one as we have many other cards bonusing restaurant, but we both do a lot of grocery store spend with prepaid cards and gift cards. So this could be another card to use at grocery stores.
Absolutely. I'm actually running to not having enough cards with that bone. He has many more to choose from than I do.
Yes, but even when I go on a world tour, I don't want to use the same American Express Gold card, the same MGM MasterCard again and again on the same day. And eventually I run up into credit limits. So having another card to use can be useful.